Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox if you can't hear anything. First, ensure your device's master volume is turned up and not muted. Then, check the in-game Roblox settings to confirm the sound is enabled there. Also, if you're using headphones, make sure they are securely plugged into the correct audio jack or properly connected via Bluetooth. These initial checks often resolve many common audio issues quickly. Next, let's dive into Roblox's specific audio settings. Open the Roblox application and navigate to the settings menu. Verify that the volume slider is set to an audible level, ideally around 75 to 100%. Additionally, if you're experiencing issues with voice chat, check your privacy settings to ensure voice communication is enabled and not restricted. Sometimes, a simple toggle can make all the difference. If the problem persists, it's time to look at your system's audio. Access your operating system's sound mixer and confirm Roblox isn't muted or set to a very low volume. You should also consider updating your audio drivers. Outdated drivers are a common culprit. A quick restart of your computer can also refresh audio services and resolve temporary glitches. These steps address deeper system-level sound conflicts. Finally, if all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Roblox is often the most effective solution. Uninstall the game, restart your computer, and then download and install the latest version from the official website. Also, check for any conflicting background applications that might be interfering with Roblox's audio. If the issue still isn't resolved, gather your system information and contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance. They can offer further specialized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.